Hi everyone. So I found this free refrigerator on Facebook Marketplace, and I was thinking that if you guys don't have a lot of money for cabinets, you guys can use this as a shelf. Even if the refrigerator doesn't work. You know what I mean? So in here you guys can have some shelves. Even if you guys have to screw, you know, add some screws into the, like some 2x4s to create, a shelf. So basically this here will go in there. So now you have, 2x4 there, down here, and then over here as well with some wood. However, well, that's not really accurate. Well, you guys know what I mean, right? It will be the same. And then the shelf, the shelving. And no one would even need to, like, all your stuff will be hidden, you know? Whatever you put in here, it will be concealed. And it doesn't even look bad at all. I love it. I like this idea a lot. And I actually heard a thought in my mind right now when I was looking at it. And it sounded like my brother Sammy, like he was saying that this can be used as a cabinet. And say you want to put something bigger right here, you can. You know what I mean? So I think it's pretty cool. Think about it.